Hi guys, I was hoping somebody could help me out here. I'm running into a little bit of an issue. So this is a B235 engine with the 4-speed automatic transmission, and what I was initially trying to do today is trying to change this transmission range switch. And I did find another one out of the junkyard, but it seems like it's a little bit of a different design, and I don't think I'm going to change it yet. So I'm just putting it back together. However, the issue that I'm running into right now is after putting it back together, I'm having a problem with this transmission linkage. So like right now, you see that lever arm right here? This lever arm, this moves back and forth. And right now the transmission is in park, but this thing, I can't reach. It won't reach like it's supposed to go in there. The inside of the car, in the interior, the transmission lever, the shifter rather, is in park, but this thing won't go in all the way. It's like no matter what I do, I just can't get it to go into the, I can't get it on there. So like if I actually move this, if I move this linkage back to reverse, let me see if I can, I need a wrench for that. So, by the way, this bolt is a number 13 or 13 mil. No, it's half an inch. Anyway, and for if you're ever running into this issue, you can actually shift the transmission like this. So right now we're in park. That's reverse. Okay. So when it says reverse inside on the shifter, that's when I can get it on there. Or well, right now actually, I'm sorry. This lever right here, the transmission has selected reverse, but inside of the car, it's in park. It's all the way up there. So look what I can do. I can actually, here's the issue that I'm running into. I can shift it okay this way. So there we go. And that's all the way, see? Second gear. But when I go back the other way, it seems like it's really loose. And this thing, it won't push. See, it's supposed to, see this thing is supposed to push the little lever right here. It's supposed to push it, but it won't. So the only way I can push it, actually, like if I take it off of this linkage right here, look what happens. It moves. Well, it barely moves, but you see. So now when I push this all the way, okay, that's reverse. Grab my half inch. That's park. So it's selected park inside, and it's selected park right here, but these two things won't connect. And I don't know what I did wrong when I was taking this thing apart, but now I can't put it back together. So if somebody could help me out, I would really appreciate it, because I know that this whole thing is a pain in the ass to replace. And I didn't even have the problem with that. The only problem that I had was a problem with this thing. And I was only trying to replace this, but I realized I have the wrong part. So when I try to put it back together, I think I got one off the one with the 5-speed transmission, and it was a different part number, and I didn't want to mess with it. But now I'm putting the one that was back in the car originally, and I can't get it back to go back together the correct way. So if somebody could help me out with that, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot.